Welcome back to Santi Says. I'm your host, Al Santi. This will be a two-part episode focused on in-law living. What is in-law living? It's a family member or friend moving into your home that needs extra help on a daily basis. There's several reasons why you would choose in-law living. Number one is comfort. You want your family member to be comfortable, and they're going to be comfortable in your home. The second is independence. Elderly people feel independent when they're at home. That's where they're most comfortable. Third is financial. It's a lot less expensive to have someone build something on your house than it would be for you to have your family member in an institution. In the 39 years that I've been building, I've run across quite a few homes where I've had to modify for in-law living. When moving a family member or a friend into your home to live, you have to make a lot of modifications on the floor and access into the house. Floors have to be leveled. There has to be an access to get into the house that's easy slope, especially by wheelchair. All the doorways have to be accessible for a wheelchair to go through, and then bathrooms have to get modified so that person that has a handicap can use the bathroom on a daily basis. Because of the close relationships with our clients, we have an opportunity to help them bring a family member into their home. There's additions we have built with its own bathroom, kitchenette, laundry closet, and even a toilet next to the bed. She told me within a year and a half, it'll pay off the amount of money that it would cost for her to send her mother to an institution. Today, I'm standing inside of an addition that Santi Construction designed and built. Kay contacted me about a year and a half ago, and she wanted to have a place where she can have her mother stay, and she knew that some of the rooms in her home wasn't going to be comfortable for her mother. And we ended up building an actual room off of the home itself that would be more comfortable for her mother and fit her needs. So today what I want to talk about are some of the things that we put into this design before we built it. This particular area is designed for the bed to be placed. This is kind of a base where people like to retreat back to. With this particular design, we made it easy for her to go to the kitchen, bathroom, and the laundry area, even the storage area. So you can see the toilet over here tucked away in the corner. Well, that's intentional. We actually designed that so it's not the first thing you look at when you come into the room. It's actually tucked away on purpose. Something that she may not need today, but down the road in the future she may have to use. So we put a little thought into the future as well. These bars are just hand bars that they can hoist themselves up with, or just kind of pull themselves up out of the bed easier and then mobilize around onto the toilet. It's same as over here, you see the chair. You can grab onto the bar, hang onto this, and then get right into the chair. So everything is pretty convenient for that person that's occupying this room. It's time for my bonus tip. The other thing is I wanted to talk about is the lighting in here. In Kate's mother's particular case, she likes a lot of light, which I love light. We put big windows that overlook the pool in the front of this addition, and then on the ceiling we also have skylights. All natural lighting, no electricity during the day. We also put a transom up above the bed area just to give her a little bit of breathing room to look past the walls. Thanks for watching. Tune in next month for part 2 of this episode. We're going to be talking about the kitchenette, the beautiful bathroom we built her, and the laundry closet. See you next month.